guys, it's
Figaro.
Fan.
and today we're gonna be doing a KFC
Chicken and waffles.
Mukbang.
I thought it was a sandwich, but
too.
I mean this is fine too. I'm
It's
gonna
cool.
eat it.
It's cool. Fun fact: KFC's the only fast food restaurant that has the chicken and waffle so far. If you
It
think
smells really good.
it smells sweet, and this guy is eating off the table.
Okay, let's see. Let's try it.
It's cool. I think Gabby just wants mine. Let's wait for you. Here.
We never eat KFC,
No.
Never.
but this is good.
If Gabby likes it, you know it's good.
Right. And we got macaroni and cheese,
Baby
corn,
size. Baby size.
mashed
Baby
potatoes.
Baby size.
It looks good.
It's fine. She drops it. Gabby, tell me what you like. If you like it or not.
Okay, are you supposed to like put it together or?
You can.
Mmm.
In the commercial, it was a sandwich. And in the commercial, there was 2 waffles.
Yeah, because I was just watching videos and some guy got a sandwich.
Yeah. So
I think you can choose.
no, you can't choose. It either gives you the waffles or chicken. Like not chicken strips, like chicken. That was what it was. I was like, okay.
It's good. You like it?
And Mrs. Buttersworth syrup. I don't know. If Gabby's eating it, I'm sure it's good.
I'm not
No
picky.
waffle.
Christian eats everything.
She's skiing with her food. What are you doing?
Bad.
Bad? Me too. Today was a bad day at work.
Was it?
No, not really. I did really, really good, but it was just overwhelming. How about you, kid? How was school?
Good.
Good. How was home?
Home was good.
How was it?
But people were being a little annoying. Like that.
Gabby's annoying.
That's okay. That's
Sonny's annoying.
So, I am a jack of all trades. After I work, I come home. Now I gotta be a coach. Right? We?
Yeah, you're a coach.
Yeah. Yeah, just got you.
He's my coach.
I'm a coach.
I signed him up.
I get it. Because you signed me up, you want credit?
Mhm.
Thank you. Thank you for signing me up.
Yum, this is so good.
Is it?
Mhm.
It's so weird because it's been years since I had a mashed potato bowl. Years. And the last time we went to KFC, it was a mess.
I don't usually like KFC, but these are good.
Yummies? Gabby, can I try my original food? No? Okay.
Potato?
She's down for
No.
potatoes. No, you just give it to her.
No, she's not.
Okay. Sorry. It's so soggy after all your spit. I love it. If you want soggy waffles, comment down below. Gabby will give it to you. Oh, you don't like syrup either? I love this girl. She's the best.
What?
She's like anti-everything.
It's not healthy.
We're like shoving this down her throat.
You like it? It's really good.
Have you ever tried a waffle with mashed potatoes? Comment down below.
You know what we need to get?
What?
Wahlburgers. That place is
What are
legit. That place that you said you love their burgers. Well, you love their burgers.
Culver's?
He likes every cheeseburger. He said every cheeseburger is his favorite. Right?
Yeah. Except McDonald's.
What?
I'm like a walrus. I'm like eating everything. My teeth is hitting everything.
What's a walrus?
Walrus. It's in New York. The walrus. Because I'm hilarious.
So funny.
I know. You think I got you because of my looks? Bro. Swept up with the
He's a bro.
Gabby, who are you? Thank you. Let me get the soggy part. Oh, I love it. Yeah, anyways. Yeah, I got you because my charming look. This was hilarious. How funny am I, Christian?
So funny. Funniest guy on earth.
I like that answer. Hold on. I realized the only person eating the chicken is your mom. They're eating the waffles.
It's really good.
Chicken?
The chicken's good too? Is it? Let's try this. You know how I know it's good? You don't have no sauce to dip it in, you're eating it. When I left, I was like, oh my god, I have to turn around. Some dipping sauce. And then and then I drove. I was like, I can't do it. I couldn't do it because too much traffic. Atlanta traffic is the best. I work 15 minutes away, and it takes me 45 minutes to get home from work.
Never live in Atlanta. Little weirdos.
He doesn't mean that. Agua. Water for Spanish. Bilingual.
Agua.
He's bilingual too, in his own way. Aren't you though?
Christian?
Yeah. Christian speaks Spanish.
But I don't ever taught him.
I don't need to teach anybody. I don't even know Spanish myself. And she thinks she's in a bar. Takes slides her stuff over. You like it or not? Yeah? You like it? What do you think?
It's really good.
1 out of 10, what do you say?
I'm impressed.
What do you say 1 out of 10?
I say a 9.
I know. Really?
I say
What'd you say?
a 10.
Really?
Mhm.
Yeah, it's really good.
For eating soggy waffle and having chicken, I say it's a 5. Gabby's spit gave it like a I don't know, it's like a different flavor, but it was good though. I enjoyed it. But anyways, chicken and waffles from, was it Gladys Knight's?
Oh, yeah.
I wasn't that impressed. Everyone was talking about, oh, you're gonna go to chicken and waffles, Gladys Knight's. We went there. When we went there, it was like next to a halfway house. And there was crackheads giving out like
Yeah, it was not safe.
tickets so you could park your car. I'm pretty sure if you gave them the money, they wouldn't park your, like, it would be a joke.
They
You
sell
lost your
that
car.
shit for crap.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Gabby, which fork do you want?
I want to go,
Papa here.
Roscoe's Chicken
Roscoe's and
Waffle.
chicken. Where's that at?
California.
California.
We need to go there.
We need to go. We need to go a lot of places.
Yeah,
I want to go on a, I really want to go on a cruise.
I really want to go to New York.
Yes, we will.
What up, NY? 179. Represent my block.
Raise your hand if you like soup.
You don't like it?
Yeah, I do. Dad, do you like it?
I love soup. I was raised up on soup.
You have what?
Raised on soup.
I have dreams about soup.
You think they got like a contract with Miss Buttersworth? Because I was hoping it was Aunt Jemima.
Yeah.
Aunt Jemima's legit. Gabby's taking my food and putting it on her plate.
How does she have mashed potatoes in her hair?
Cause she's Gabriella. Best part, soggy. Try that. Try that joint, like they say. Oh.
The best soggy waffle.
It tastes like
It's really sweet.
It tastes like a cake.
Yeah. I like the chicken.
Puppies.
Gabby!
Puppies.
Here's something back on.
Nope. He cried to go out. He cried to come in.
I like what you did over there. That was pretty smart.
What?
You made that like a little toy there.
It looks alright.
You're alright. You're like a designer in the beginning. You're training. Designing training? Yeah, man. Close. Maybe. So much. I figured if you live in apartments, you know, it's hard to like, you know, do stuff in your house because it's an apartment. Yeah, after a year, either you pay more or you can't do much to it. So when you get a house, you know, you can do stuff. But now that we got a house, Kristen is exploring her design style. It's eclectic.
I need to go poop.
I don't even know what that means. But, you know, she dabbles here and there, does cool
I
stuff.
dabble at the thrift store.
Yeah.
Here, baby. Gabby!
She insists to give it to me.
No, nobody wants that, baby. No, ma'am. She'll
I want
stab you with a fork. I had her hair done, but
Oh,
she ruined it.
hair looks legit. What is that called?
It's called the Gabby.
The Gabby.
The Gabby do.
Gabby do? Gabby, slide it like you're in a bar. Hey.
She's so rough.
She's sick.
Gabby, are you crazy? Are you crazy?
What do you get the?
What?
It's pretty sick. Well, it says joy on it with a little.
Hobby Lobby.
It's like every time I come home, she's sending me. Baby.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
No, he said he wants to floss.
Hey guys, I'm back.
Are you gonna eat?
Hey guys. Oh lordy. Oh, I'll tell you no.
I want no more.
You don't?
No.
What'd you eat?
Slide it over here. Call me the garbage man. I'm here to pick it up.
Here it is.
Dippy dippy. Dippy dippy.
So tomorrow we're doing our Jamaican video. Right? Gabby, what's going on
So
here?
where's Gabby going?
Oh.
Gabby, you just flung mashed potatoes at me.
Well, you were talking trash, so that's what you get. I like your sweater actually. Where'd you get it from?
This?
Yeah.
This old bag? I've had this.
Alright.
hmm
Looks comfortable. Like you say, cozy.
It's so cozy.
You're cozy. Gabby's cozy. Oh, what was that? So cute. You guys love each other. Aw, she,
Oh, look. You're so
I
sweet.
guess no love. She's the only one who gives me love.
You're sweet.
Gabby's little girl.
She's so sweet.
In the backyard.
Oh, hell
Oh, what's that? What is that weird
What's
thing?
that?
Is that a weird cat? Did you see that when I sent you about the cat?
nah. Yeah, that was being
Wait, can I see?
I'll show you later.
The cat didn't want to let her out. She was
That
showing the house.
So funny.
She couldn't get out of the house.
That's me literally when Sunny attacks me.
Gabby, what is she? Are you combing me? What are you, Ariel?
No, don't let her do that.
What?
She's like putting the fork in her eye.
She's combing her hair. Back in the day when you were Ariel.
Subscribe to our channel, comment down below, and hit that like, smash that like button. And see you all next time. Goodbye.
This man got it all locked. He's not even looking at the camera while he said it. But it's cool though. See you guys
Later.
on the flip side later. Gabby, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Gabby, go
Say
bye-bye.
Bye. Say
Say
bye.
bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Look at that. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
This is Coldplay.